Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSNP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the bulls are fully back, and they continue to grind higher and higher. And again, just to offer up a little bit of context here, from a more, if anything, a learning lesson standpoint, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the video from a couple days ago. But I talked about that leading indicator. I talked about, hey, you know what, check that out. The price broke above that purple line. We'll see if that's the first step of a much bigger move. And yeah, that was the leading indicator for the price to not only get up above that level, but just continues to grind higher and higher. So, definitely a good movement here. So much so that I'm going to go ahead and delete these lines out. Yes, both these levels still do pertain, but from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere, and that create clutter and all that unnecessary movement. But overall, the most straightforward way to now just gauge the health of the overall move is to watch that purple line right there, no pun intended here, but the 50-period simple moving average. So in other words, as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So as long as the price itself stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you must visualize that is what is being represented. So sure, there can be pullbacks and such, along the way. But like I said, what's going to make the chart look the healthiest? The overall trend, as long as the price stays above that 50-period moving average. Now for the good stuff and fun stuff, where are some of these next battlegrounds at? Because the price is now broken up above that pink line there. Fantastic sign of strength right there is that pink line on my chart denotes the very well-known 200-period moving average. But the next key level of overall level of resistance is, let's see, right up there at 21 cents. So 21 cents, public enemy number one moving forward. And it's not like the price has to break above it, tomorrow or anything like that. But just from an overall standpoint, that'll be the next, battleground to watch. But overall, what matters the most is what the price continues to do, and that is build those higher lows. So let's see how this one continues to play out moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.